Welcome to the magical journey into the heart of holiday season. Today we are diving into the tradition, beauty, and joy decorating a Christmas tree. Whether you are a second decorator or someone looking to start new tradition, this video will guide you through the entire process. Grab your favorite holiday drink, sit back, and let's get into the festive spirit. Before we dive into the decoration, let's take a moment to explore the festering history of the Christmas tree. The tradition of bringing greenery indoor to celebrate winter dates back to ancient civilization like Egyptian and Roman, but the Christmas tree as we know it today began in Germany in 16th century. Legends has it that the first Christmas tree was decorated by Martin Luther, the potent farmer wanted to recreate the beauty of the starry sky for his children. Over time, the custom spread across Europe, and by the 19th century, Christmas tree became a staple in homes around the world, popularized further the Queen Victoria and Prince Albert in England. Now, no matter where you are, the Christmas tree is an iconic symbol of season. Now let's talk about selecting the perfect tree for your home, whether you go for a real tree or an artificial one. Choosing the right size and shape can make huge difference in how your holiday space look. Real tree comes in variety of spices like the frank pine, the simply fit on the soft needles. For more eco-friendly option, artificial tree and great choice, and many of them even mimic the look and feel of real trees. Make sure to measure the space where you plan to set up your tree to avoid any surprise. A good rules or thumbs in to leave at least a foot clearance above the tree for the star or topper. Once you have chosen your tree, it's time to set up. If you are using a real tree, be sure to trim the trunk to allow to drink water and keep the needles fresh throughout the holiday season. If it is artificial, take your time to fluff out the branch and make sure it stands straight and steady. Setting up tree is finally affair in many homes, whether you are unwrapping your favorite ornaments or arranging the lights. This is the moment where the magic begins to come alive. Don't forget check that your tree is well balanced so it stay upright throughout the season. Now come the fun part, decorating. There is no right wrong way to decorate Christmas trees, so let your creativity shine. Start with the lights and they provide a beautiful foundation. For the rest of decoration, wrap the lights from the trunk all the way to tips of the branches for full even glow. Next, add garland, tinsel or ribbon to give your tree a rich layered look. Some people prefer to keep it simple with a few strands, while others go all out of lush decoration. Once those are in place, it's time for ornaments. Be sure balance the color and size so it's look cozy from all angles. And of course, don't forget the star or angle chopper to crown your creation. This is final touch. Make all the difference. Decorating the Christmas tree is more than just a task, it's tradition that can bring families and friends together. Whether you have special ornaments that been down of passed down of generation or you are making new memories with each decoration, it's all about the joy and begin together. Some families even have a tree decorating night where everyone gather to sing, cause shoes, stories, and create a new ornaments. Is these little traditions that make the holiday season so special. And there you have it, your guide to create the perfect Christmas tree. Whether you are adding your favorite ornaments, creating a new tradition, or just enjoying the beauty of the tree, we hope the holiday season fills your home with love and joy. If you enjoyed this video, be sure hit the like button, share with your friends and family, and must share your valuable comments. Your comments is very special for us. So keep watching, keep supporting my channel. You can also visit our channel. There is lots of amazing and beautiful and amazing DIY projects. God bless you all. Take care. Goodbye.